So here's Tangerine that I just wrote the story about on my blog. And you can see she's tasting the branches, well she was, tasting the branches of the Christmas tree, and I think she's going to try to climb it again. But maybe not, we'll see. She used to be a feral cat that lived outside, so I'm thinking that she enjoys having a tree inside. It kind of reminds her. Uh-oh, there she goes. What are you doing, Tangerine? I'm trying to see if I can catch it on film. Oh, there she goes, nibbling on the branches. Tangerine, what are you doing? Are you talking? Are you talking? Is that your Christmas tree? What do you think of that tree? Is that right? Do you like it? Yeah. Does it remind you of the outdoors? Tangerine?